And so if you guys, if you're gonna extend those things, you're right. Go into Ann Arbor, you have the legislature, all sorts of things working.
Horse trolley. Magkano isa? $18? $18 round trip going to downtown. Malapit lang ba? Ayan oh, there's a store. Ano mo naman ang...
Get a taxi, go down there, and then they'll get you into one down there. Yeah, just follow this road here, and then. There is reasonable.
Victoria downtown. Mas kami may time tayo. Oh, ang hirap nun eh, oh. That's hard. May who's bigger made? Celebrity or celebrity is big. It's huge. Ayun oh, tamo oh. Magandang lakaran yan eh. That's No, we will go upstairs and then turn right. There, oh, yeah, we have to go up there. Wait daw. Yeah, we will go up there. Ready? Okay. Thank you. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tasting room, bistro. Bistro and bar. Maybe you can throw the coke now if you want to. There. It's getting dark. Ano magandang pasyalan na eh, oh. Look. Okay. We're gonna go up, eh? Wow, man, look, it's nice. The spear. Welcome to the breaker painting. Wow. Yeah. May, let's go this way. This way, May. Come here. Biro mo kung mag-ano pa tayo, sasakay ka pa sa ito lang ang gandang pasyalan. This place is a nice place to walk. Look, look like Pablo. Oh, she look tired. Look at the downtown there. Yeah. That's the downtown. This is the longest pier of Canada, Victoria. May your t-shirt, huh? That's $19. That's cheap. Hollow blocks. What? Bakit? Why? What happened?
I'm holding.
I know why. What do you mean?
Ba't tinatanggal mo kasi kamay mo?
No, I'm taking. Hello, Seattle. Ay. No, dahil I want to take picture. Ano ba? Oh. Okay, dito walang ano.
Hawakan ko
No,
yan.
there's no wave here.
No, hawakan ko yan.
No, there's no wave here.
One second, girl.
Bakit kayo kinakatakot ito? Why? Ba't anong natakot kami? Masarap-sarap lagi. Why? My wife scared of walking in the bridge because both sides is water. She's scared of the wave.
Ano, dahil yung tuhod mo.
No? Ano namang ano? Oh, all the way down. Ba't nangyayabas ka dyan? Oo, ito. Oh, hubuan ako.
Katawa dyan.
Hindi, anong pakiramdam mo? ano pakiramdam mo? What do you feel? How do you feel while we walking? Ay, ako, asawa ko. Yan ang you need to practice. We have to buy a baby swimming pool and then you splash so that you will not get 9. So they have 2 hours left. Ba't ka nakatingin sa baba?
Pwede ako magapa.
Mababaw yan may dahil na merong ano eh. Kaya naman, babaw yan.
Ano yung sisinan niya?
Ano lag?
Kala ko.
Kahoy lang yan. Grabe naman.
Kasi paano ba yung nagsisinan na yan?
Lag. Grabe naman, nervous ba? Nervous ko na naman dyan. Halos mahubo na nga ako dito. Hawakan mo yung belt, hindi yung ano.
Shit, bubak na wala tao dito sa dulo.
Ayun o. Takot ka. Dami nag-o. Oh. Ayan, takot na sila. They're scared.
And like, I'm Jenny. And I was like, I don't care.
Tutu.
Sansi. Ang bilis din nakakabol ng
Ano?
summit, no?
Sino summit? Yeah.
Dito summit.
That's Norwegian. Meron ba sa likod natin? Yeah, meron pa eh. So, umawa ka lang dyan. Ikwento mo sa anak mo to. You're holding. Hindi may hindi may anong pakiramdam mo kasi hindi, ano pakiramdam mo? Takot ka? Sa tumitingin dyan?
Yeah, nakahilo ko pag
Oo. Oh, wala na. Uuwi tayo. Oh, wala pa tayo sa kalahati, oh.
Let's go.
Kakainis na nawalan ka. Ba't nahihilo ka?
Ito lang.
O yan, uwi na tayo. Dahil mamaya, masuka ka pa. Kasarap-sarap. Ito mo, wala ka naman babaksak kami, oh. Nothing, see?
Parang dala yung kalalaking box na yun.
Yeah.